And 2 packs of Topps Chrome.
That's going to be the medley. It's going to be a little medley here. And go ahead, PJH, open them packs up. Stupid ass Topps Chrome.
Jesus. Hey! Hey! Hold on.
You can't open that easy ass pack.
Jay Cutler. Anthony Spencer from Dallas Cowboys. Chad Johnson, refractor. Dallas Clark.
Crap.
Ooh, nice Trent Edwards, white parallel.
What does the number do?
614 out of 869 or some shit. That's nice. Antonio Gates X-Fractor, I believe.
Is that a rookie or no?
No. Yeah, it's an X-Fractor. That's a nice card.
Here you go. Okay, now grab this. I'm going to pop this box open here of cosigners. I got a little tool here to help me out.
2 autographs per box.
Along with a dual signature card.
1 single and 1 double or dual autograph. 1 triple autograph per case.
Is that right?
That's right. I like that product.
Barry Sanders, Carson Palmer, Thomas Jones. There's a Craig Puster Davis and a Chris Henry, numbered 26 out of 399. Joe Montana, Brett Favre, base.
Nice, Brett.
I see a Cutler in here.
Good.
Maurice Roux-Rones. LT TO from Dallas. And this looks like a Calvin Johnson, Barry Sanders, Emerald. Jim Brown. They say he is the greatest running back of all time.
I agree. Him and this guy. Barry Sanders.
Show him that Jim Brown.
There's Jimmy Brown.
I'd like to pull his autograph, man.
It's a nice card right here. And it's numbered 61 out of 150. That's 60. That's both of their numbers added together.
Rudy Johnson. Aikman from Dallas. Steve Smith. Dallas Baker. Ben Cocklisberger. Emerald. Joseph Adai.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
And the man, Tom Brady, greatest quarterback right now.
17 out of 75 on this Roethlisberger. Not bad. Not bad. How many packs per box, Paul?
12.
12 packs per box.
Julius Jones.
Julius Jones.
Ooh, a Roger Staubach.
Raji Staubach.
Phillip Rivers. There's a Emmitt Smith, Barry Sanders, Emerald. See what its number do. Fred Bielek.
48 out of 99.
Who's Fred?
Go ahead. Just the old guy.
Andre Janssen.
Yanyan.
He's Ye-Ye's brother. Okay, now whatever. Dan Marino.
Okay.
Peyton Manning. Robert Meacham. Kobe Smith auto.
Alright. Kobe Smith. Running back. Took over for Larry Johnson from the Kansas City Chiefs. Go ahead, Paul. What do you got in the back there?
Willie Parker and Lawrence Maroney.
Alright. Kobe Smith. It's not numbered. That's one of the good rookies, though. You probably won't see his ass next year, though.
Reggie Bush.
Ray!
Joe Namath.
Namath!
Marcus Allen. Rudy Johnson and Chad Johnson together.
Oh, I thought you were going to say auto. Come on.
Terry Bradshaw.
T. Bradshaw.
James.
Edgerrin James. Chad's numbered 118 out of 249. Chad and Rudy. They really suck.
John Elway.
Elway.
Sean Alexander.
Okay.
Paul Hornung. And here's a Jackson and Clowney from the Green Bay Packers.
That was Brandon Jackson. And I don't know who the other guy is. Clowney. Is that a tight end or something?
Matt Liner and Steven Jackson.
Well, that's a nice Brandon Jackson, though. I'm digging that. Unnumbered, of course. Okay.
Cocklisberger, Jericho Cotchery, Ryan Robertson, rookie card.
Okay.
Tom Brady, Lawrence Maroney, gold.
Lawrence Murray.
I got another Tony Dorsett. I like Tony Dorsett.
Numbered 3 out of 349 on this Maroney.
Murray. Drew Brees, Ben Chiang, Steve Smith, rookie card.
Steve Smith, rookie card.
Sidney Rice and Adrian Peterson.
Alright, now you're talking.
Bradshaw again. Edgerrin James.
AP.
That's a nice card.
Number 259 out of 349.
Namath, Marcus Allen, Cedric Benson, LT, and Craig Buster.
Who's that? Cedric Benson? Because he's been getting benched.
That's a gold. Hurt. Willie Parker.
Craig Davis and LT.
Lawrence Murray.
Numbered 182 out of 399.
Jerry Rice.
Marvin Harrison.
Eli Manning. Jamarcus Russell and Joseph Adai together.
Ooh, nice. Jamarcus Russell.
Randy Moss. Emmitt Smith.
How many packs you got left?
This is the last one.
This is numbered 77 out of 249.
Marquise Colston. Chad Johnson. Jamarcus Russell rookie card.
Alright.
Drew Brees and Reggie Bush.
Jamarcus rookie card. Oh, it is numbered. The rookie cards are numbered, Paul. It's numbered 2004 to 2249.
Frank Gore and Larry Johnson.
LJ. There's that Reggie and Breeze. 393 out of 399.
We didn't get too many good autographs out of here, but we did get some.
I like them, Paul. I'll take them.
We got some good rookies, though. Let's show that.
How are they going to put a veteran and then a rookie on the same card and have the rookie card logo on it? That's kind of retarded. I don't know.
Here's a Jamarcus.
So we got a Kobe Smith auto.
Here's another Jamarcus.
You got a, I think it's David Clowney. I might be wrong, but that is definitely Brandon Jackson.
Steve Smith. Ryan Robertson, that's a rookie.
A lot of numbered cards in this product.
There's a nice emerald. There's a couple of nice emeralds.
Oh man, did I see that one already? Barry Sanders and Emmitt Smith emerald. It's like a blue parallel. 48 out of 99.
You can dig through these and see.
Dallas Baker and Roethlisberger, 17 out of 75.
Barry Sanders and Calvin Johnson emerald.
Ooh, Barry Sanders and hot box.
Craig Buster Davis, Craig Henry gold. And don't forget these. There's Antonio Gates from the Topps Chrome.
That was a very nice X-Fractor card right there.
This Trent Edwards white refractor was a nice pull.
Very nice. Okay, that'll do it.
That'll do it.